A dental implant is a revolutionary solution for replacing missing teeth, offering a natural look and feel that restores your smile's functionality and aesthetic. The procedure begins with a thorough assessment of your oral health and a personalized treatment plan. During the implant surgery, a small titanium post is precisely placed into the jawbone to serve as a sturdy foundation for the replacement tooth or teeth. Over time, the implant fuses with the jawbone through a process called osseointegration, ensuring a secure and long-lasting fit. Once healed, an abutment is attached to the implant, onto which a custom-made crown is placed, matching the shape and color of your natural teeth perfectly. With proper care, dental implants can last a lifetime, providing confidence and comfort while eating, speaking, and smiling. Interested in learning more? Stay tuned for our next videos on dental health and wellness. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for updates.